Hey tech enthusiasts, today I'm diving into a game-changing innovation from Shenzhen Hanyang Technology Company Limited, also known as Yarbo. This Chinese company is making waves with their snow-clearing robot that's taking America by storm. Picture this, a robot that can push away 550 square meters of snow in just 1 second, and it keeps going for over 90 minutes, even in freezing temperatures as low as minus 45 degrees Celsius. That's right, folks, this isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. In just 4 days, Yarbo's snow-clearing robot has hit over 100 million in sales in the US. It's insane. This is a prime example of the explosive growth in AI and machine manufacturing we can expect over the next 30 years. Yarbo's mission is clear: to liberate us from repetitive labor. Talk about a futuristic vision, but why are so many groundbreaking inventions coming from China? Well, historically, Chinese talent was often snapped up by the US, with patents and innovations being claimed overseas. Since China's reform and opening up, there's been a massive focus on preserving and nurturing homegrown technology. Now, China is reaping the rewards of its own ingenuity. In the future, intelligent machines like Yarbo's will replace manual labor. But there's a catch. We need strong infrastructure to support these advancements. Imagine having this incredible robot but facing power shortages. Not ideal, right? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time.